Get ready for a fact-filled showdown. India, the powerhouse of Asia, takes on Brazil, the pride of South America. From economy to sports, culture to military, every fact brings us closer to the winner of 2025. Sit back and watch closely who comes out on top. We're starting with total land area. India's total land area, 3,287,263 square kilometers. Brazil, 8,515,770 square kilometers. GDP nominal, India, $4.19 trillion. Brazil's nominal GDP is $2.13 trillion. GDP per capita, India's GDP per capita is $2,937, and Brazil, $10,816. Top universities, India, Indian Institute of Science, university rank 251, and Brazil, University of São Paulo, university rank 199. Literacy rate, India, 76%, and Brazil's literacy rate is 94.7%. Internet penetration rate, India, 55.1%, and Brazil, 84.1%. Life expectancy, India, 72.48 years, and Brazil's average life expectancy is 76.19 years. Urbanization rate, India, 38.5%, and Brazil, 87.1%. Next one is forest area. India's forest area is 24.3%, and Brazil, 59.4%. Human Development Index. India's Development Index is 0.685, and Brazil, 0.786. Healthcare system ranking. India ranks 44th on the list, and Brazil, 63rd on healthcare system ranking. Unemployment rate. India, 4.17%, and Brazil, 7.95%. Inflation rate, India, 1.55%, and Brazil, 5.23%. Global power ranking, India, ranked 4th, with 0.1184 power index, and Brazil, ranks 11th with 0.2415 power index. Defense budget, India, $75 billion, and Brazil, $26.15 billion. Active military personnel, India, 1,455,550, and Brazil has 360,000 active military personnel. Labor force participation rate, India, 49.6%, and Brazil, 62.7%. Total export revenue, India, $824.9 billion, and Brazil, $337 billion. Carbon dioxide emissions per capita, India, 2,955 tons, and Brazil, 480 tons. UNESCO World Heritage Sites, India has 43 heritage sites, and Brazil has 22 World Heritage Sites. Comparison result, India got 9 out of 20, and Brazil got 11 out of 20. Very close game, but finally Brazil won by 11 to 9 points.